Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Minds. Our learning target for this video is I can solve exponential logarithmic functions using natural logarithms along with logarithmic properties. Now let's take a look at this vocabulary as a refresher. We have logarithm, we have natural logarithms, we have the notation of natural logs, and then we have key inverse properties of natural logs involving Euler's number E. And then we also have properties of logarithms, including product property, quotient property, and power property. Now let's take a look at the problem of the day. Solve the following exponential equations by taking the natural log on both sides. Round all answers to the nearest hundredth. Part A. -10 plus log base 3 of n plus 3 is equal to -10. We want to start off by combining like terms, so we're going to be adding 10 to both sides of this equation. We're going to rewrite. We now have log base 3 of n plus 3, and this is equal to 0. We can now use our properties of log to rewrite this. We have our base of 3 to the power of 0, and this is going to be equal to n plus 3. So let's rewrite. 3 to the power of 0 is equal to n plus 3. 3 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, which is equal to n plus 3. We're going to subtract 3 on both sides, and we determine that n is equal to -2. Part B. Log base 5 of 6 plus log base 5 of 2x squared is equal to log base 5 of 48. So we can start off using the product property due to the addition of logs. So let's rewrite. We have log base 5 of 6 times 2x squared is equal to log base 5 of 48. Let's multiply out the 6 and 2x squared. So we have log base 5 of 12x squared is equal to log base 5 of 48. From here, we can remove our log base 5, and we have 12x squared is equal to 48. Using inverse operations, we are dividing both sides by 12. We now have x squared is equal to 4. Now finding the square root of both sides, we find out that x is equal to positive and -2. Both positive and -2 result in positive arguments for our log, and for that reason, that is the end of this video, and we'll see you in the next one.